Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, which is for my group, it's for our doll group is Animal and Nature Day, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going for the operation tomorrow, so I might not do a video depending how much energy I have. So I dressed my dolls for today. So I hope everybody else join in the Facebook group. And yeah, if anybody else wants to join in, that's fine too. So here is Quinn, a beautiful, beautiful girl. She's so cute. Mm-hmm. She has the shirt that I put on Isabella very often. It looks really cute on her though. Really cute on her. And then she has a skirt, a gray skirt, and some socks. That's what she's wearing today. And she has beautiful eyes too. Here's Quinn. Beautiful, cuddly, and oh, love her. And I have Lily, which is dressed in a top. It says cute, and she has stockings and just some slippers. I'm getting more clothes for her. Coming in from the mail. So this is her. And I have Malachi. He's dressed in his shirt that has a bear on it. It has like snow, like winter. Although our winter is not very snowy right now. And he has camouflage pants, which is always good when you're in nature. And then I'll show the twins. Puppy, please excuse me. Thank you. I'm gonna show Princess Prancy first. She's super cute today. She's worn the shirt before, and the pants. She's wearing socks that are actually I bought for Lily, but I was thinking some of the clothes might fit her too. And the difference is she has a bow today. I find her really cute. So that's what she's wearing with a little dog on the front. And cute. Very, very cute. And then I have Malu. He's dressed in a beautiful blue shirt with a not a crab, the other one. I always forget the name of it. I know it in French is homard, and then I can't remember the word in English, which is so funny, so weird. I usually know. And so yeah, he's wearing that, and it's not a crab. And he's wearing pants and a hat. And so yeah, that's what he's wearing today. He looks really black. There. There he is. And I have Melida. Just have to fix her stock. I kind of pulled her stock up. Okay. Melita, she's wearing a hat. She's wearing a top that has, it's written so much love with a bird, and yeah, it has blue pants that go with it, and I paired it with some pink socks. So that's what Melita's wearing. For Yuri, I hadn't dressed her yet. I'm gonna go and get her clothes, and I'll be right back. So for me, it's gonna be a little longer. For you, it's gonna be quick. So yeah, I'll just pause and be right back. Hello, I'm back. I brought Yuri. I just put her in her kept her in her onesie and took off the other clothes she was wearing. And I decided to put on a sweater, this one. It has flowers on it on the front, so I was thinking of putting that on her. You might have seen it already on her. I don't have a ton of newborn clothes. I have a lot more. There were 3 for Malachi and Quinn. Yeah. So, yeah, and these are actually my collection of just dolls right now. I only have Yuri, Malachi, and Quinn that are like the reborn, or that looks like reborn. Well, Malachi and Quinn are reborns because Malachi got it reborn. He was a doll that I got from China, but I got it reborn by someone. Him reborn by someone. So now he is reborn, and Quinn is definitely reborn from scratch. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna put these pants on her too. Bottom like slippers. And Yuri is a Ashton Drake doll, an old one. I mean, I don't. From what I know, I don't think you can find them anymore. They, I don't know. They should make more dolls with what Yuri has, because the feeling is like real skin, and it doesn't the paint or whatever it's done does not come off, and I find she's a really well made doll. Like I've had her for a long time now, and nothing has happened to her. I don't know what vinyl they use, but it's very different um, from Isabella, which her skin, her fingers, her tip of her fingers starting to get a tad, not just a tad gray. She doesn't have that. She doesn't have gray in any part of her. And there she is, all beautiful, beautifully dressed Yuri, and her necklace, which she keeps on all the time. I put that on her. It was a bracelet of mine, and I put it on her. There's my beautiful girl. So yeah, everyone, these are. Oh yeah, and I have Malu and Melita, which are dolls, but I love them so much. I like to dress them as I dress like my reborns and stuff. So there, and I also, like I said, and then I have 2 more dolls on top of that I like to dress too, which is Princess Prancy and Lily. Those are mostly my dolls that I interact with here. It's a bit dark here. Yeah, I don't have any lights on. There's sun outside. Just my curtains are closed and everything. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going in for a day operation. So I'm doing my video now because I don't know if I'm going to be doing any tomorrow. For Thoughtful Thursday, my word for Thoughtful Thursday today, I'll do it, is it is important to take care of yourself. Others, your family, your kids, they're important, but you got to take care of yourself first. If you don't take care of yourself, you cannot take care of your kids, because you're going to be healthy enough to take care of your kids. That's another hard thing to learn, and I find it really important that we think about that everybody should think about taking care of themselves so that they are strong enough or have the and are capable of taking care or helping others in your family, friends. Yeah. So that's my thoughtful Thursday for today. And if there's some people that are not feeling good out there, um, I hope that you'll get better soon. I'll pray for people that would like that. Um, yeah, and yeah, thank you for watching, and bye for now.